Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by sizing up the palm and choosing safe cutting angles. This matters because leaning cuts can damage nearby plants. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection and remove outer canes first to expose the crown. Cut canes low with a saw in short strokes and leave 1-2 central canes if you need temporary support. Make sure to work from the windward side so debris blows away from you, and clear cut pieces away immediately to keep the site safe. You dig a trench around the stump to reveal the main roots, because cutting blind risks leaving a huge root mass. Once exposed, saw through thick roots or use a reciprocating saw on fibrous material. Pry the root ball with a digging bar until it loosens. If the stump won't budge, cut it into wedges and remove in sections. This reduces leverage needed. Make sure to backfill as you go so the hole doesn't collapse, and to inspect for shallow irrigation or utility lines. You finish by backfilling the excavated hole with soil, tamping to eliminate air pockets, and regrading the surface so water drains away from adjacent plants. Once done, dispose of the biomass according to local rules or chip it for mulch. Chipping speeds decomposition and reduces regrowth. Make sure to watch the site for 4-8 weeks because palms can resprout from remaining tissue. If regrowth appears, cut it low and apply repeat removal or targeted herbicide as needed to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.